project leader of the 3 Series. I'm pleased that we are able to present to you today and tomorrow the vehicle that founded the sport sedan segment. The BMW 3 Series, the ultimate sport sedan, is now already in the 7th generation. Over the past 40 years, we have delivered more than 50 million 3 Series. This makes it to the most successful model of the BMW brand and the world best-selling premium car. We are confident that the new car will provide further momentum in our global sale following in the launch in March next year. The BMW 3 Series is truly a world model. It will be available in over 130 markets. China, US and Germany are the most important. It represents the BMW brand like no other car, and it's truly the heart and soul of BMW. The 3 Series is crucial for BMW and always has been. All our cars contain the sporty and dynamic genes of the 3. This extraordinary car is a pioneer of its segment. And of the new generation, I promise you, it's better than ever before. Even more athletic, present and innovative. What makes me think that? The new BMW 3 Series remains a sporty sedan in the segment. Today, we were able to gain a first impression of the suspension and drive system. In this respect, we have combined our top technology. A new innovative lift-related damper control, a significant lower overall weight. We have reduced the vehicle weight up to 55 kilograms compared to the predecessor. And further develop engines with improved fuel economy and enhanced performance. To sum it up, maximum driving pleasure coupled with outstanding efficiency. That was my expectation of the team when we began to working on this generation of the 3 Series. You will find out more about this tomorrow during the workshop, Powertrain and Driving Dynamics, appropriately on the racetrack. But that's not all. A great number of innovation makes every drive in the new BMW 3 Series an experience. For instance, our completely new intelligent personal assistant is on board. We were already able to witness this today. Moreover, the new 3 Series also features our latest driver assistants, such as steering and track guidance assistant that provides help in confined spaces, or our new reversing assistant. And from July of next year, we will complementing the 3 Series with a further innovative variant. The new BMW 330e plug-in hybrid, with an increase of up to 60 kilometers vehicle range in electric mode. It will exceed the corresponding value of the predecessor more by than 50%. We are also consistently extending our range of BEVs. In 2021, the BMW i4, a four-door coupe of a similar size of the BMW 3 Series, will be brought to the market. The BMW 3 Series also stands for our new design. We speak here of precision and poetry. This is visualized by pure lines and sculpted surfaces. At the same time, we have also completely revised the interior, modern and trend-setting, but still with BMW trademark driver orientation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud of this new car, and I thank everyone in the team for this 3 Series. And now, we see a short movie about the new design. Thank you.
We at BMW Group Design are shaping the future of each brand. Design, how we understand it, is bridging engineering and art. It is about knowing and fulfilling our customers' future needs and exceeding their expectations in terms of style. Every new car going forward will have a very strong character of its own. wanted to take this opportunity to do a next step, a big step in our design language. In this next chapter of design, we want to make each BMW stronger in character, while at the same time reducing the number of design elements. This way, the precision and execution of the details become that much more important. We are calming the interior by really focusing on the essentials. Controls will be clustered to showcase the selection of bespoke materials. We have created a relaxed and luxurious atmosphere. And the overall design is cleaner yet more emotional. The new BMW 3 Series is sharper in every line and every detail. Its extremely muscular surfaces, in combination with precise lines, create an irresistible product, a true BMW icon.
I'm about to assume that there are people among us that are passionate about cars. And maybe some of us remember places and situations when they saw particular cars the very first time. I do remember when I saw the very first time a BMW 3 Series. It was in the 70s and it was the very first 3 Series. It was a white car parked in the center of Mannheim where I was grown up. I remember when I was thrilled by the sleek, dynamic design, very clear and very strong. I pressed my nose on the side window, looked inside, and I was thrilled again. There was not an instrument panel, there was a cockpit. A cockpit that showed the approach of that car, a cockpit that was tailored around the driver. Apparently, the driver's seat was the most attractive place to be in this car. I'm proud to be part of the team that designed the 7th generation of the BMW 3 Series. I'm proud to be part, continuing the successful story. And the interior, the story, the idea of the interior, still the same. It's tailored around the driver and offers him a perfect place to interact with the car and relax and enjoy driving. Digitalization and innovative user interfaces allow us designers to come up with a new layout, with a new architecture, and this brings the BMW 3 Series in the next level. By offering touch control on the central information display, we brought that into perfect ergonomic reach of the driver's hand. At the same time, we lowered the position to bring it in one visual line with the main instruments behind the steering wheel. The driver can let the information flow from the central information display to the main display up into the head-up display. We call that cone of vision. The information gets into the focus of the driver according to the relevance of the information the driver needs. The information is focusing towards the road. The layout, the graphics of our graphics are more modern, more precise, and we offer now a stage for extra information such as a precise, clear map or the playlist in between the main gauges. As my boss Adrian van Hooydonk already explained in the movie you saw before, the interior gets calmer, cleaner, yet more emotional. We focus on the essentials. We focus on the displays and the controls that are now clustered in functional units. The materials are very precise, high quality, and the customer has got to choose of a vast variety of bespoke materials that all have the approach of premium quality. As I said, the functional units are clustered to precise elements. In the center console, we offer very spacious storage for such as cup holders for large cups and extra space for your digital device. And everything is placed there where it does not disturb and interact with the movement of the driver's hand. Also, on the exterior, we wanted to go a progressive way, showing a new design language of precision and poetry. What does that mean? You see, the lines and the details are very sharp, but not cold and lifeless, yet emotional and dynamic. The surfaces are very muscular and taut. Look at the muscle around the rear wheel, which shows this is a powerful and dynamic car. The front is low, the look is very focused. Please also mention the very three-dimensional and very valuable looking new design of the kidney grille. The side view is a typical BMW. Short front overhang, rather long dash to axle, rather long wheelbase, and a cabin that sits on the back, like emphasizing that this car is a rear-wheel drive architecture. It appears like accelerating right from the stand. Aerodynamics are both a challenge, but also a chance for designers to come up with new ideas. This car has got a drag coefficient up to 0.23. Very good benchmark. Please look at this line which comes from the rocker, runs up to the rear, behind the rear wheel, creates an arrow edge, which is very effective and helps to reach this aerodynamics. This line surrounds the rear lines and runs into the decklet. This is an emotional way of displaying or perceiving aerodynamics. If there are people that remember this car or the situation, the place where they have seen this car the first time in the future. Thank you.